Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Let me get my camera readjusted. There we go. I got something in the mail and I want to show y'all what I wound up getting. It's an adapter. That way I can use my Kobalt batteries on the Dewalt air compressor. So someone has sent me a link for this particular one. Ordered it. It's saying it was supposed to be in on the 23rd. Well, today's the 16th, so I got it in early. So, I'm going to do an unboxing, actually unpackaging. It didn't come in a box, but got it nice bubble wrap and everything. But here it is. This is supposed to allow me to take my Kobalt battery and plug it in on a Dewalt 20 volt. Seems to be pretty well made. I mean, it's all the your seating, the three-dimensional printing and everything. You definitely tell by the feel and everything. So I'm going to grab one of my 24 volt batteries. This is just one of my regular 24 volts 4 amp hour battery. See how it fits in here. A little tight. There it goes. Okay. Now, one of the problems with trying to do the 24 volt Kobalt, that is tight in there. Need to put a little bit more tolerance. Is that one thing I noticed, that the Kobalt positive is on the left, negative is on the right. Dewalt positive is on the right and negative on the left. Well, it is opposite on this. So, like I said, the only thing I can see is it's a little bit tight as far as putting the battery in. I can see where, it's hitting what's happening is it's hitting the very top of the battery. The bottom of this is hitting the very top of so a little bit too much not enough clearance. So I may take my adapter or take my grinder and grind on it. So got that. I'm gonna pull this Dewalt 9 amp hour battery out. And the only reason I wound up going with the adapter is this is the only Dewalt tool I've got, and it's $189 for one Dewalt battery. I'm big into the Kobalt. I mean, I can pick up 2 4 amp hour batteries for $100, and I think last time I counted, had 26 of them. So I'm gonna point the camera down and let's put this in the Dewalt air compressor, see if it works. I know the shop's a little messy right now. So let's see if this will work in it. So I've got a fully charged Kobalt battery. See how this fits in there. Because this is supposed to be fitting. And guess what? It don't want to fit. Let's see if I can tell what the difference is. Yeah, it is different. A little bit different. There's cutouts right here and everything. I think that's where it's supposed to allow the battery, the Dewalt battery, to go on. Not too sure what else, but this is not going down in there. Trying to see if there's anything else difference wise. I really can't see anything else, but something is definitely hitting, not allowing that to go down. I'm going to take my battery off. That way I don't short that thing out. And see what I can figure out here. Well, something's not right. Don't know exactly what it is, but I was told that this adapter, I'm going to tilt the camera back up. But I was told this adapter here would work on the Dewalt 20 volt. I mean, mind you, this is a 20 volt. Actually, this is the flex bolt. Okay. So it's the 60 volt max and 20 volt max. I was told that the 20 volt, it didn't matter, because that's what this compressor works off of, is 20 volts. So right now, this is not working. Exactly what it takes, I don't know. I mean, it was about 23, 24 bucks to get this. I'm going to do some more research on this and look at it. But I want to let you know that this is not working. This won't even go on the air compressor at all. I can see a few differences between them. One, I can tell that the slots and everything for where it hooks up to the connectors, one of them is off by quite a bit. I mean, we're talking, yeah, I got about two of them, maybe three, are not lining up at all. So that's a possibility there. I don't know. I don't know what it is.